Did you know that you can make good money in an industry that needs people just like you? Now stick with me for the next 30 seconds and I'm going to introduce you to the most valuable insider information you'll hear today. The RV industry has seen such massive growth in sales, but the number of technicians and inspectors available to service these units has continued to be low. Over 423,000 units were sold in 2020. And we're expecting over 516,000 units to be sold in 2021. I need you to hear this. The RV industry has a huge void. There's too many RVs leaving the production line and not enough technicians to keep up with the demand of doing service. For those of you already knowing where I'm going with this, you should really be excited. You have an opportunity to develop a high demand business with very, very little competition. You can work for yourself, set your own hours, offset your taxes, but best of all, you can set your own pay. The National RV Training Academy has developed a 5-week certified RV technician course that is packed with hands-on training, and it also includes business fundamentals to help you get your start in developing a small business. The National RV Training Academy is training hundreds of students each month, but folks, that's just still a drop in the bucket. The RV industry needs thousands of certified mobile RV technicians and inspectors. The National RV Training Academy is responsible for producing the most qualified mobile techs in the country. We have the largest facility with the most hands-on equipment to give you the confidence so you can start making money day one. Now, I've seen a lot of online programs, and to be honest, you can't learn how to build an RV refrigerator online. Right now is the perfect time for you to jump in and start your own business. Give us 5 weeks, and I'll show you how to develop a career in one of the fastest growing industries in the U.S. Download this free ebook that we've written. It's going to take you through the industry. It's going to show you the demand, what's going on in the industry, how big the demand is for technicians like you. I'm going to invite you to come join us here at the National RV Training Academy so you can become a certified mobile RV technician.